Da.
Dosta, mislim, kad se gleda film, jako se osjete te referencije.
This was Christina back in the studio, a graduated student and radio journalist. This radio is like her second home.
I've been working for a radio student, or rather say volunteering for 4 years now. Well, first of all, as an editor and even as a journalist when I was beginning, I felt there's a lot of freedom, especially in the choice of topics, guests, a general surrounding of how you work and how you present your work.
Culture, sport, ecology, music. These are the topics they are working on just behind these doors.
It's a rather unique opportunity starting out in journalism. I would say that's the main focus on how good it is here.